I have to go get ready for 5 minutes. We're almost. Oh! Now, if you tell me that live question, you're gonna be beat up with that. Help me. Come on, Minnie. Yeah! No. Get out of her seat. Come on, Minnie. Push it. They still keep on doing green lights. Whoa, butterfly.
Honestly, I think Anne Marie was quintessential early 2000s.
I'm dealing with you. Yeah. Back up on my bush, back up on the scene. Done dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. Done fucking with you, don't know how to love me. Done dealing with you, so I'm back. It seemed like I get so much and don't get nothing back. I really thought it was love, but you're so fucking whack. Always get caught up in love, but I am done with that. I can't get caught up in love, so now I'm, flexing on my exes and my Model X. Pretty little skinny little bitty body Model X. Some of y'all ain't never had no real beginning shows. I keep it 100 from my head down to my toes. Back up on my bush, back up on the move. Touchdown in my hometown, got nothing to lose. I am on my own now, I am in control now. I need you to go now, I can fix my own crown. Back up on my bush, back up on the scene. Done dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. Done fucking with you, don't know how to love me. Done dealing with you, so I'm back,
See you with your ex, I see you still about your old ways. Might just see him for the weekend, you say that's a cold play. I be feeling triggered, I don't know how to let it go. Really, you ain't shit, I know I'm too emotional. Putting me through it, he's the only thing that's been getting me through it. You be coming through with it, and I hope you cool with it. I just met your roommate, put him on my to-do list. Doing me, back up on some new shit, everything in between. I'm out here, I'm getting stupid, I'm done being exclusive. And you know the truth is that this nigga is useless. I'm back on my bush,
back up on the scene. Out here acting foolish like I'm 17. bought a new whip, don't need gasoline. I just ain't